just a disclaimer, I paid for all these slimes with my own money, and I also secret shopped, so they have no idea I am reviewing their slimes. Hey guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is such an exciting video. I have so much slime packages, and I'm going to be just opening them up, and squishy packages, and you're going to just see me open up all these awesome slime and squishy packages. I've been waiting for these packages to arrive for about like 2 months. 2 months at least, and here they all are, so I'm so pumped to do this video. If you enjoy it, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to check out my Instagram called fuzzy_knuckles_slime. It's really awesome. I do a bunch of slime and like everything that I do. And then I'm also wearing unicorn slippers, and they are like the cutest things I have ever seen. Yes, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay guys, so this package is from Rondafull, I don't know. But yeah, and I just had to cross out my address obviously once again. But yeah, this one feels definitely like a squishy, one of the squishies, and it is massive. That is literally my full hand. Oh my gosh, this, oh my. Okay guys, you have admired how big this squishy is. I have admired it. This is like the biggest squishy ever. It is so slow rising, and it is so soft and amazing. Okay guys, so the next slime package is from Shooshang, and I've actually ordered from Shooshang before. Okay, this is a bit tiny for what I wanted. I gotta say this, I'm pretty sure it's a cloud slime. I find this really weird. Okay, this is weird. And here the slime is, it left a really wet residue on my fingers. I really did not like this one, and it was just not very exciting to play with. I was really disappointed in my purchase. I would not recommend getting this one. It broke really easily. It was really wet and left a lot of residue on my table. Okay guys, can I just say I have added some moisturizer, some water, and glue and Model Magic, and it has formed this amazing texture. But obviously I did have to add a lot more stuff to it, which I hated, but it was so worth it because this is such a nice texture. Okay guys, this next package was wrapped up in a garbage bag. I don't know if that's the best choice, but the slime made up for it. It was so nice, so squishy, so stretchy. It was super crunchy, but it was a bit stiff. I loved how it had all its foam beads, how tiny they were. I loved the color, and they had little loom bands which represented sprinkles, and I just loved it. It was so cute, and it was a bit, as I mentioned, it was a bit stiff, so I just added a bit of lotion after playing with it, and it was amazing. Okay guys, so this next package we have is a panda squishy. It tells me right here. Oh my god. Okay, this was 99 cents. This is like one of the only ones. Oh, that is the cutest thing. Guys, how do I even explain how soft and how good these squishies smelt? The girl and the boy panda squishies smelt like one of those really sweet breads that you get. The girl one was a bit less slow rising as the boy one, so the boy one was more fun to play with, but the girl one had a adorable little bow, and I loved it. Okay guys, so this next slime package that I got is I think it's like 3 cloud slimes, so I hope that they're amazing. Okay guys, so the first thing that I see in this package are all of the cloud slimes that I purchased. Okay. I love these glitters and all that type of stuff on it. They're super pretty. This pink one. Except for the... Ew. Oh my god. Okay guys, so the next one I'm going to be testing out is this one. It's really pretty. There's 2 different tones. The only thing is, I'm really sorry if I've forgotten to tell you guys about all of these people creators' names, but it's just because they don't tell me them on the packages, which sucks. It's really weird. But anyway, here's some ASMR of this cloud slime. This one is definitely a lot more wetter, like not as good as the other one. It can always get better though, so hopefully. It's really pretty purple color. I'm actually really loving it. Okay guys, I've obviously left the most prettiest for last. So here it is. I think it's really pretty because of all its glitters on top. But here's some ASMR. I love how there's pink, purple, and blue, like it's a mix of it in shipping. Well, this one's a lot thicker. Okay, this is pretty. This is really nice. Love the glitters. Actually, wait, not bad. Okay guys, so this next package, and I don't know if it's the last because I don't really remember how many slimes I got, but I'm pretty sure maybe that this one is the last one. But yes, this one, it says right here that it's a mermaid glitter slime, and that makes me so excited how secure this packaging is. And the first thing I see, oh my god, oh my gosh, do you see that? Do you see, oh my god, do you see how clear and pretty and amazing? Okay guys, I am so pumped to open this, so let's just do it. Okay, I think it's not sticky like at all. Okay, this is amazing. Do you see how pretty? We have the ultimate test. Okay, ready? Okay, let's do this, ready? Oh my gosh, thick, jiggles, thickness. Oh my gosh, just so amazing. I wish I had a bigger batch of this. I wish. It's so stretchy, super bubbly. Oh my god, I love it. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me by giving it a like, and then I will do more of these videos. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.